Master the art of Konkani. Is Konkani the easiest language to learn? According to my experience, if you are familiar with the Marathi language, then Konkani is the easiest language to learn. Every tourist visiting Goa should be familiar with at least a few common words which are normally used in everyday conversation. Take advantage of this video. Why Konkani is very hard to learn is made very easy through the simple methods of mine. The biggest mistake language learners make is they first try to learn what is not relevant to learn at the initial stages. I recommend all visitors visiting Goa to just learn the few basic words provided here in this video lesson wise and watch the development gradually. So once again, welcome to my channel konkanilearn.com. Here I have gathered a few most common Konkani words starting with alphabet I. The first word yeta, that is coming. Igors. Igors means church. Igorgent. Igorgent inside the church. Ileshe. Ileshe. Tiny. Little. Ilaj. Ilaj. Treatment. Illo. Illo. Little. Iloso. Iloso. Tiny. Little. Ikar. Ikar. Poison. Ikrave. Ikrave. 11th. Intruse. Intruse. Carnival. Inam. Inam. Prize. Indesau. Indesau. Injection. Infern. Infern. Hell. Irado. Irado. Plan. Itlian. Itlian. By this. Ithinga. Ithinga. There. Itinia. Itinia. That side. Let's make one sentence with the alphabet Y. Inga yo mache. Inga yo mache. Just come here. Okay, now the next word. Ikra. 11. Imto. Imto. Miser. Inga. Inga. Here. Inkar. Inkar. Denial. Ingaro. Ingaro. Coal piece. That is in singular. Ingaro. Coal piece in singular. Ingale. Ingale. Coal pieces. That's in plural. Ingles. Ingles. English. Inter. Inter. Funeral. Burial. Irmau. Irmau. Brother. Ismit. Ismit. Miracles. That's in singular. Ismita. Ismita. Miracles. That's in plural. Estimosao. Estimosao. Esteem. Affection. Iskol. Iskol. That is school. Escolant. Escolant. In the school. Istall. Istall. That is stall. Itule. Itule. So much. Isht. Friend. Isht means friend, and that is only for male. Ishtin. Ishtin. That is again a friend, but this time it's for female. Ishtagot. Ishtagot. Friendship. Let's make one more sentence with alphabet I. Ishtagotin ami jieta. Ishtagotin ami jieta. We live in friendship. So friends, this video comes to an end. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Visit my site konkanilearn.com for lots more in there. So see ya again in the next video. Till then, you take care. Bye bye. Mok asundi.